In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set multi-condition alerts in TradingView. First, open TradingView and head to the chart you want to monitor. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame before you begin. Alerts are tied to the chart's context, so getting that right up front ensures the alert behaves exactly as you expect later. At the top of the chart, click the Alert button. This opens the alert dialog, which is your control center for defining what should trigger and how it behaves. Inside the dialog, click Settings. Think of settings as the place where you outline the logic, which symbols to watch, what conditions to use, and how strict the timing should be. Next, check the Symbols section. Confirm the primary symbol matches your chart. If your strategy references other symbols or indices, this is where you'll align everything so the alert looks at the proper data. Now, choose your condition. This tells TradingView which data stream or indicator to evaluate, such as the price, moving averages, or other studies. Selecting the right condition is key because it's the foundation the alert logic builds on. For the operator, click Crossing. Crossing triggers when one series moves from one side of a level or another series to the other side, which is great for momentum or breakout logic. If your use case requires it, you can later switch to other operators like greater than or less than, but for now we'll stay with crossing as the core example. Click Value to define the threshold. This can be a fixed number, an indicator output, or another series. Be precise here. Use the correct decimals and confirm the value aligns with your chart's scale and time frame so you don't get premature or missed triggers. To add another condition for a multi-condition setup, click Add Condition. Note that combining conditions requires a paid plan. When available, you can combine conditions using logical rules to make the alert fire only when all or any selected criteria are met. If you're on a free plan, you'll see limitations here. Choose your trigger behavior. Decide whether the alert should fire once per bar close, or on every tick. For fewer false positives, many traders prefer once per bar close, while more reactive strategies may use on every tick. Select the expiration. Set a date and time for when the alert should stop monitoring, or choose an open-ended option if supported and appropriate for your workflow. Finally, click Create. Your alert is now active. You can review it in the Alerts panel, edit details if needed, and pause or delete it later. That's it. Your multi-condition alert is set and ready to keep you informed.